yung ganito kalaki, grabe. Siyempre hindi ko napapansin when you're there. But yeah.
Ilan lang na-lose mo since you started on the program?
13 kilos.
Oh my gosh.
So I feel healthy now, I feel strong. I don't get tired as easily. Saka mas kaya ko na ulit magpuyat sa shooting.
So ano ang diet mo? Anong workout?
At lininis ko lahat. Like, well, dati pa naman teen eater naman ako. May sakit lang talaga ako kaya ako namamaga. Pinastop ako mag-workout. Like I used to work out 4 times a week.
You can't exert yourself too much.
Apparently when I get stressed, like,
okay.
like namamaga ako.
Meron pala.
So yun, akala ko dati workout ako na workout pa kaya ako. I was getting bigger.
Hormones yun, diba?
Yes.
So yung blood test yan? Tinest, oo.
And I still do blood tests every month to check. So I'm still not there. I'm not 100% normal yet. But malapit na.
Ano bang...
May ranges po kasi parang tatlo yung values na tinitignan ko. So some of them medyo pantay. May isa pa ako na
medyo
alam yun na.
Anong feeling mo? Parang may spin-off yung... Meron ka na ngayon na 100 bulaklak, 100 bulaklak para kay Luna.
Totally unrelated. It's not a spin-off. It's, I think they changed their title already.
Really?
Yeah.
Wala pa.
Okay.
Hello, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.